Hello to my questies. Welcome back to another year together. To our two new friends, we look forward to meeting you soon. I'm Mrs. Kelm. I teach Quest English 7 as well as Quest English 6 and English 8, and I am so glad that you're here. In this video, I'm going to go through a little bit of information that I actually won't be sharing at open house night, but if you can't make it to open house or you just want a sneak peek at who's teaching me English this year, I'm making this video, so watch, enjoy, learn. When you get to open house night, you will have a slide that looks just like this up on the board. It'll tell you to grab the half sheet survey, and actually I think it'll be a full sheet, so I'll edit that before open house night. But you'll grab that survey and then find a spot to sit, whether you do the drop-in time or if you do the mock schedule time. So I'll have you fill out the survey first, either way that you join us. Speaking of joining us, if you are looking for my classroom, it's in the same spot as it was last year. I'm in room 600, right on the corner by the mall. If you are new to us, I'm the lady that holds the sign every day that says prime time or win. So go to that classroom, the room on the corner by the sign lady. It's me. I'm the sign lady. Ooh, speaking of maps, this map is based on last year's building. 90% of it is the same. The classrooms haven't changed at all. They still are in the same spot, with the exception of the band room, which is in the same spot, but it actually got a makeover. So wait till you see that. I can't wait. But the big change we know is the front of the building where the office was. That's totally new and totally reconstructed. So that office square on the map, that's not accurate, but I'm sure they'll give us an updated map when we come to open house night. Speaking of open house night, this is our plan for open house night. You can see that we'll have time before and after the mock schedule to just meet with students. So if you want to, go to your locker and poke your head into every teacher's classroom and kind of walk the schedule on your own, the teachers available in room time, that's a good drop-in time to do that. If you're the kind of learner that's like, no, I want to go to every single one of my classes and in order, then come to the mock schedule time. And if you're like, but I want to do both, cool, do that. You can either do the drop-ins or the mock schedule or both, your choice. Pro tip though, to my introverts, I recommend the drop-in time before and after the mock schedule. I think it's a little bit less chaotic than the mock schedule is. From my experience, it's just a little different when you have the whole building on the move during 5 minutes of passing time, plus their parents, plus their little siblings, plus the high schoolers that come back just to say hey, plus your neighbor kid that came along with you to open house because, he didn't have anything else going on, and grandmas and grandpas and whoever else comes. The mock schedule can be a busy time, but the drop-in time tends to be a little bit more, a little bit calmer, a little quieter. Okay, so at open house, I will share out this information. You will have a chance to fill out the survey. That's the must. I want to get to know a little bit about you as a learner, but if you want to see the syllabus, you can see that. If you want to watch these videos, those will be available. If you want to learn how to contact me, that'll be available too in open house. And you'll be able to join Google Classroom. I'll send out those invitations before open house night. This is information about me. I am entering my 23rd year of teaching, my 6th year here at BCMS. I can't believe it's already that fast. And this is my family pictured. I actually have 2 middle schoolers this year. James will be joining us in 6th grade Quest. Davis is up in 8th grade Quest, and Kylie was a Quest kid once upon a time. She joined in 5th grade and completed the program in 9th grade when it comes to its end. And now she's in 12th grade up at the high school. These are my current areas of interest because I am still a learner, even though I'm a teacher. We are still learners too. These are course essential questions. This is a little bit about our curriculum, which really focuses on the theme of individuality. 6th grade's theme, in case you need a reminder, was belonging. And this one really is on how do I find my own voice in this world around me? We will read The Outsiders. We will read some other texts from the textbooks. We'll do History Day again this year. We'll read A Christmas Carol. You will read for sure Stargirl and the Diary of Anne Frank. You'll have a choice between Animal Farm or Anthem. But worth noting, all of this is tentative because we got some new standards and I'm going to have to shuffle some stuff around in order to make room for the new standards. So, but History Day will remain. So if you're like, oh, maybe history, nope, That's going to remain. I can't wait for you to do a second year. Grading looks the same as it did last year. Infinite Campus is the same as it was last year. Your grades can be found there, and just like last year, we encourage you guys to be the ones to check your own grades. Parents can join too and check, things if they'd like to watch, but in 7th grade, you really should be stepping up and making sure that you monitor your own stuff. And just like we talked about last year, we're going to talk more about how to use AI for good, not evil. The biggest thing with it is to ensure that the final work that you turn in is your own. And as assignments come through this year, we'll talk about how is it appropriate or when is it appropriate to use AI. You'll have a chance to join Google Classroom. I'll send out those invitations before the year starts. If you need to contact me, here's my information. You'll have a chance to ask me some questions at Open House. And again, this is the Open House schedule, and you can find me in room 600. I look forward to seeing you at Open House night. Otherwise, I will catch you on the first day of school. Have so much fun between now and then. I will see you guys soon.